6 upon 8 times 2 square divided 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. How do you solve this? So as per PEMDAS, we first solve parenthesis, then comes exponent, then we have multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. So here we have no parenthesis, but we have exponent. So after parenthesis, we need to solve exponent, then comes multiplication, division. But for multiplication division, always remember that we have to solve it from left to right. If you don't stick to this important rule, you will do the mistake and there will be wrong answer. After multiplication division, we have to solve addition and subtraction. For addition subtraction, you can follow any order, you will get the same answer. Although in addition subtraction also we group them together and solve them from left to right, whichever comes first. Left to right means, for example, if we have 4 divided 5 times 2 plus 3, then from left to right means we have division first. So even in the PEMDAS, multiplication is written first, but from left to right we have division first. So we will do division first. And then after division, that is 4 upon 5, then we will do multiplication. 4 times 2 is 8 upon 5, then plus 3, addition will be done at last. Now let's say example, we have 2 plus 2 divided 2 minus 2. And in this case, what we will do? Here, we cannot solve from left to right like this, because for the left to right choice is between multiplication division. Whenever there is choice between addition and subtraction, and there is division or multiplication, this will always take precedence over addition and subtraction. Again, if you get 2 minus 2 times 3 divided 4. Now here again left to right means you have to check for between multiplication and division. So from left to right we have multiplication first. So we'll do multiplication first. This is what left to right rule means. Now here, before going for left to right, we will need to solve this exponent. So it is 6 upon 8, then times 2 square is 4, then divided 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now from left to right we have multiplication. So what we'll do, we will multiply. In this, numerator gets multiplied to numerator. This 4 is a whole number. If you are confused regarding how to multiply a whole number with a fraction, you can put a 1 here as the denominator. Then you can multiply the numerator. 6 times 4 is 24. And then 8 times 1 is 8, and you can write it like this. And then you can reduce the fraction by dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number. So 8 divided by 8 is 1, and 8 divided by and 24 divided by 8 is 3. Or what you can do, 4 is the numerator, 8 is the denominator. We cross them with the like factors. 4 times 2 is 8. And 4 times 1 is 1. So we divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. And then 2 times 3 is 6. So this is how we do the division. You see, here we have multiplication, but we are doing division, because division and multiplication, they are reciprocal actions. This means when you have to divide a number, it means you have to multiply it by the reciprocal. So 4 divided by 2 means 4 is multiplied to 1 upon 2. And when you have 4 multiplied to 1 upon 2, it means you have to divide 4 by 2. So they are reciprocal actions. Therefore, whenever it is like this, it means we are doing here division, whenever there is a fraction kind of thing. Now, since left to right there was multiplication first, but within multiplication we were actually doing division. Now we have 3 divided 3 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now between division and addition, always division will have the priority. Now again 3 divided 3 upon 2 means we have to convert division into multiplication. So you convert division into multiplication and the number after that gets inverted. That means you have to write the reciprocal of 3 upon 2. Reciprocal of 2 is 1 upon 2. Reciprocal of 3 upon 2, it means we have to write 1 upon 3 upon 2. This is the actual reciprocal. Then this 2 goes to the numerator because it is actually 1 divided by 3 upon 2. Then 1 division gets multiplied and then the number after that gets inverted, so it is 2 upon 3. So instead of doing these lengthy process, we simply write 2 upon 3 for 3 upon 2, the reciprocal of 3 upon 2, then plus 1 upon 4. Now again, here it is multiplication, but what we are doing? We are doing actually division. 3 times 1 is 3. Now 2 times 1 is 2 plus 1 upon 4. Now we have to add here. Again 2 is a whole number and 1 upon 4 is a fraction. So we convert this whole number into a fraction by putting 1 here. Now these are unlike fractions because they have different denominators. So we find a common denominator. LCD of 1 and 4, least common denominator will be 4. So 4 divided by 1 is 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1. So 9 upon 4. You write it in mixed fraction. 4 times 2 is 8 plus 1 upon 4. So 2 1 upon 4 after doing the addition of fraction, or here only if you don't do these steps you can simply write it like this 2 1 upon 4, because here actually the relation is of addition only. So 2 is multiplied to 4 and then 1 is added here. So this is our answer. What is your answer? Let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching.